Bura mar ODM biro bago tuke adhula mar osiep kaka yor dhialo higni 20 nyaka ne chak duond burano. Timbe ang'wen madongo mapacho ka oyier mondo miyo piem e tukego. Timbego gin Gor Mahia, FC Leopards, Shabana gi Bandari. Jaloch e tukego dhi yudo siling $1,000,000 ka namba 2 dhi yudo $750,000 eka namba 3 yudo $500,000. Jaod bura mar Arieda Otiende Amolo wacho ni magi gin mana tuke mag mor mag osiep.
Anyway, I want to take this opportunity to thank ODM. You know very well that the party leader, Honorable His Excellency Raila Odinga, is the patron of Gor Mahia Football Club. So there was no way we were going to decline your advert to come and participate in this prestigious tournament. And to FC Leopard, Shabana, thank you also for accepting to come and play where the big boys are, that is Gor Mahia. But one thing that I can assure you that mutatoka bila kikombe. Kikombe ni yetu kama Gor Mahia.
Having said that, I'll only say three things. First is about the Chungwa Nation Select FC. This is going to be an exhibition match, not a competitive match like the others. So, although we'll be playing a select team from the third place playoff, we expect that those of you who are former footballers, Treasury Ninja, to also, Daktari, to adorn Shabana colors and come and play.